Hello, XD Squad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a great day and a great week. Anyways, today I'm going to be doing a fire alarm sounding thing for Canada Day. As you guys know, it's Canada Day, July 1st. So, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be sounding my P2R and my smoke detector. So, yeah. So, anyways, I'm going to be doing the smoke detector first and then, the spectral or advance. So, yeah. Anyways, let's do the smoke detector. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was the smoke detector. Okay, I'm just gonna put that over there. So just put that down here. So, yeah. So now let's gonna do the P2R and then I'll do the smoke detector again. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing it like a pattern. So, yeah. Anyways, let's do this because it's really hard to do it with one hand. So, yeah. Let's do this. There we go. Okay, that was the P2R temporal high. So yeah, and then in the next round of the P2R, I'm gonna do temporal low. I mean temporal medium. So yeah. Now let's do the smoke detector again. So yeah. Okay, that was the smoke detector. So let's just put that over here again. So yeah, I don't really feel like sounding them at the same time. No, maybe after I'm done with like temporal low. So yeah, I'll sound them at the same time. It'll be kind of loud and annoying. But who cares? Anyways, let's just do it. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna put the camera down again because it's really hard to do it with one hand. So yeah. Oh wait, I forgot to change it. Alright, there we go. I changed it now. So yeah. Okay, come on. Yeah. Okay, anyways, that was the spectral advance. Now, time to go back to the smoke detector. So, yeah. Okay, that was the smoke detector. So, yeah. Now, let's go back to the, P2R, and then let's go change it to, temporal low. So, yeah. Alright, there we go. I set it to temporal low. So, yeah, no, anyways, let's go do it. Okay, that was the spectral advance. So yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna sound them at the same time now. So yeah. Doing this a bit differently than other fire alarm fans or other fire alarm YouTubers do. So yeah. Do this. So anyways, I'm gonna sound them at like the same time. So yeah, so first off, you'll put the spectacular fans on there, so yeah, I gotta make sure. There we go. Now time to do the smoke detector too. Okay, anyways, I was sounding up at the same time there. So yeah. Well, anyways, guys, that was it for this video. I hope you have a happy Canada Day. Well, if you're a Canadian fan watching this, so yeah. So yeah, if you guys are Canadian, then happy Canada Day to you. So yeah. So well, anyways, guys, I think that was it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on that notifications bell. So yeah. Anyways, guys, peace out. So bye-bye.